Good morning, guys. It's the 22nd of February, and we've got another problem. It's not one thing, it's another, right? And I keep saying that. It's just annoying, but this is now leaking. I believe it's leaking over here, too. Yeah, it's the whole window frame. Well, it was pretty wet, but it seems to be... Anyway, I got icicles to clean off. So, that's what we're going to go do right now. I thought it was going to be worse. But I do hear dripping. Oh yeah, sure. It's dripping out of this window too. Better put the bucket over here now. No, I better get out there and get it cleaned off. It's already caused damage, I'm sure. Pain in the ass. What?
You want a full, or do you want just the basics?
Just eggs, bacon, toast.
Basics.
Yeah, basics. Amanda's home for once, cooking me breakfast because I love her so, or she loves me so much. Alright, anyway, let's go get this done. I already got the... Oh, where's the hammer? No? Oh, you guys can come out, I guess. Whatever. Come on, guys. Yeah. Holy shit, look at that icicle. Son of a bitch. That thing's going all the way... See, that's just heat loss. That's massive heat loss. I'm scared to see the other side. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh god. I don't even know how to respond to this. Yeah, I'm coming. Well, this is no good. That's easily 8 or 10 inches thick. I'm gonna have to call the landlord. And that's the wind on this side and on the other side as well. Because it's just gonna back up and ruin. Oh man, this place needs to be insulated a lot better. That's definitely a priority. Hey guys, well it is an absolutely gorgeous day out today. It's 47 degrees, February 23rd. Oh my god, I'm just soaking it up. I mean, a lot of the ice is gone off that roof there. It's not leaking anymore. As for the other side up here, it's still pretty significant, but I think it's just, you know, we have a couple of warm days ahead of us, so I'm thinking that it might just melt away. I don't know. But, yeah, today, well, yesterday, I'll show you real quick here. Look at that ice jam. God, that's ridiculous. Or dam, ice dam, yeah. But it was a lot worse yesterday. Anyway, I've been working on the knives. Was using my handheld belt sander to surface grind. And wouldn't you know it, the one time I'm not recording, it literally burst into flames. Like first there was a big ass like shock or spark. I could see it through the red plastic, and then flames started coming out of the where the dust gets blown out of. I was like, holy shit, you know, and so I shut it down and unplugged it and everything, opened it up, and all the metal dust had accumulated on the coil inside, and it was really screwed. But I had a warranty on it, so I took it back to Menards, and this is the third or fourth one I've gone through now, and like, they maybe last me a month. So I got this warranty, so I can just, every time it breaks, I can just take it in. Well, I am tired of this because this always happens in the middle of preparing for a show. And when I lose time driving to Marinette and back, that's an hour one way. You know, it's a significant amount of time I'm losing on the knives as well. I'm going to have to stay up, you know, nights and work out there, I think. Because usually I quit around 5 or 6. You know, I'll work all day till around 5 or 6, come in, have dinner, watch TV with the family. But I think I'm going to probably end up having to go back out there after Amanda leaves for work just to catch up. Anyway, I've got a plan. Okay, I got a plan. So what I'm thinking is happening is the metal dust is accumulating on the circuits, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hot glue sticks. I'm going to melt them over the top of that. Kind of waterproof, but metal proof. I don't know. I mean, it works for a lot of different tools. A lot of knife makers do this because, you know, the metal dust is conductive, and when and it's sticky. For some reason, the metal dust is sticky. It's magnetized. And so it magnetizes itself together into a cluster and a ball and around the circuitry, and then just, you know, just blows everything to shit. So I'm gonna melt some hot glue over it and see what happens. I don't have, my hot glue gun does not work, or it does not fit the hot glue sticks, so we're just gonna manually do this with a freaking lighter. I'm hoping it'll work. We'll see what happens. So I was going to do it in the house, but I just tested out a stick out on the deck. New, not doing it in the house. It is totally dangerous. You know, it's melted plastic and it's just dripping fire. So I'm going to take it in the shop and do it in there. after I make a snack. I haven't eaten yet. I got up at freaking 6 a.m., took the kids to the bus stop, got stuck, buried the truck, had to walk home in my robe, which is from the corner. I was in my robe, in my robe and long johns. No shirt on, just a robe and long johns. And thank God it was warm out, but it was kind of embarrassing too because people were driving by me like, the hell's wrong with this guy, And there's my truck buried. I'm walking home and I couldn't fall back asleep, and so I'm asking everybody I know around the area, hey, can you help me out? Can you, can you come pull me out? No, Chester, yeah. And nobody's answering. I forget that it's 6:30 in the morning now. So I throw a thing up on the Crivets Facebook page asking anybody in the neighborhood that is awake that can come pull me out. I'm over here. This is where I am, and all of a sudden, within, I bet you 5 minutes, I get a message. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm like, well, wait a minute now. I gotta put freaking pants on and shit, and so I the guy, his name is Jay, really nice guy. I'm like, all right, well, the bus stop is about, I don't know, it's at maybe 100 yards away, less than that. And so I jump on the ATV. It's just starting to become beautiful. It's really nice out at the time. It's beautiful right now, but at the time it was really nice too. And so I drove the four-wheeler down there, and I'm there for maybe 2 minutes. I'm trying to plow out the front with my four-wheeler, just dropping the blade and backing up. Isn't making a difference. The thing is up to the door frame. I mean, it is buried. And so he shows up and hooks right up and just pulls me right out. And here, lo and behold, he's actually a fan of my knives. And so we started talking about knives, and he's really big into K-bars. And I'm like, well, actually, I'm working on a special kind of K-bar. It's a K-bar blade with a I can't think of the name of it now. Anyway, he liked it. Long story short, it was a very busy morning, and I am on like 4 hours of sleep. I have no idea where the point of this story is going, but we're gonna go in the shop and do the glue thing after I eat. So it's always this wire right here that always is shorting out. Hot. I wish I had a hot glue gun. I think I'm gonna have to buy one. Just for, this kind of stuff here.